This is a river birch tree that is about 25 years old. About 3 years ago, it was attacked by the Japanese beetles and killed the left side of it, the side that is almost straight up and down. We hoped that it would heal and come back, but it never did, and it started to really lose a lot of the bigger branches up top and was unsafe. Here we obviously had to make the choice of cutting it down. We had a stump remover person come out, and he at first decided to use a chainsaw to cut the rest of the stump away. Once he did that, then he moved on to a different machine. I really hated losing this tree. It was so beautiful. But we do plan on planting a new tree there. As you can see, it is surrounded in a kidney-shaped area of blocks. If you have any suggestions on what would be best to plant here, I'm kind of maybe thinking of putting another birch tree there. But if you have any other suggestions, I would highly appreciate that. And I would love if you could subscribe to my channel. And here he is using the stump grinder. Honestly, I thought it was going to look more something along the lines of a sander that would, from the top, just sand it down. But in reality, it is more like a circular saw, and it is just chunking away from the top into the side of the stump. Another unique thing about the actual video is watching the video, you can actually see the blade at times here and there and see what it looks like. But in real time, you could not see the blade. It just went so fast you couldn't see it. Now he's just trying to get a different angle. And you can see the blades there, but you cannot see that in real time. And it just chopped away the stump that's underground. He said it went down about 6 inches under the ground, and that the rest of the root system would just die away and dry up. But at least the stump is out of the way, and I can plant another tree. I hated losing this tree. It was so beautiful. Thank you for watching my video with me. I hope you learned something along with my journey.